Welcome to this Nespresso assistance video on how to use your Nespresso Aeroccino milk frother. The Aeroccino allows you to obtain a light and smooth, hot or cold milk froth, offering you endless ideas for the perfect coffee. You may also use the Aeroccino to heat your milk for a cafe latte. The Aeroccino comes with a whisk for hot or cold milk froth. And to make hot milk, you can remove the frothing spring. Pour the desired amount of milk to one of the two maximum level indicators. The lowest line shows the quantity for a milk froth. The highest one is for whisking up hot milk. Only milk should be used in this device. The milk should be at refrigerator temperature and ideally whole or semi-skimmed milk. For a cold milk froth, press the button for 2 seconds until the blue light appears. For hot milk froth, press the button once. The light turns red and the Aeroccino prepares the hot milk froth. After approximately 1 minute, the Aeroccino switches off automatically and the hot froth is ready. To prepare a latte macchiato, pour the hot milk froth into a cup. Place the cup under the machine and prepare an espresso. The latte macchiato is now ready to drink. With your Aeroccino, you can create countless delicious milk-based coffee recipes.